What's going on, everyone? This is Turbocharged Hobbies, and I want to do a quick video today going over a 1/10 servo conversion for your Traxxas X-maxx. Now, if you own an X-maxx, I'm sure at some point you've dealt with some servo issues. It's a common problem with the truck. So, I've already done the Traxxas conversion, but now I'm wanting to swap it over to the GPM kit. Now, that is TXM024 for your part number, and the main reason that I like this kit is because it comes with the aluminum cage to hold your servo, plus it also comes with a new horn that fits your 1/10 scale servo but still retains the factory bearing support. Now, I had the Traxxas kit, but I could not find anywhere to buy just the horn that will work with a 1/10 scale servo and still retain that front bearing support. Now, I'm hoping by using this kit that this is going to eliminate any of the servo issues I've had in the past. So fingers crossed this will work. And since there's no instructions, I just wanted to go over how this goes together to help anyone else doing this install. So I have everything set up on the bench. Now I'm going to go over here. I'm going to show you exactly how it goes together. So the first step is we want to install the servo into this cage here. Goes just like that. You want to find these two screws along with these tapered washers here, and your screw's going to go in like that. Now these are going into aluminum, so going to put a little dab of Loctite onto the end. And then you just want to barely get it started. And put the second one in before you snug your first screw up. So next, we want to get it down in here, and it's easiest, you gotta have it level and push it straight in. If it's going at an angle, it's not going to want to go in. It's a very tight fit, but it should go all the way down in there. And you want to find, should have these three short button head screws, and you're going to also use these three thick washers. This is going into plastic, so there's no point in using any Loctite. You want to make sure that your servo wire isn't being pinched or anything like that. Mine all looks good. Now, I'm not sponsored. I mean, my videos are not even monetized. I'm just trying to help anyone else maybe struggling with the same issues I've had. And I think from this point, I think anyone can kind of figure it out from there. So now that we got the servo into the chassis, you got these two button head screws left. The shorter one of the two is used to go through here. And we'll put a little dab of Loctite on that, as it is going into metal. And then your last screw, the longer, which is the longest one you have, button head, will go in here. But if you want, you could use the stock one you pulled out. They're basically the same screw. I'm just going to use the one that come in the kit. Again, this screw is going into plastic. There's no point in putting Loctite on it. And then the last part is getting it together and getting it straight, which is always fun. Which I'm not going to film that part. The main thing I wanted to do here was just try to show everyone how this is supposed to go together, since there was no instructions included. I wasn't sure. It took me a little bit to figure it out. And I figured if I could make a quick video and help a few people, it'd be worth taking the time to do it. So, if this helped you, you could just give me a like. And if you want, you can follow me on Instagram. If you look up Turbocharged Hobbies, you'll find me on Instagram. I also have a Facebook page, which I feel like the Facebook page would be better if anyone has questions with anything like xmaxx related, as far as doing conversions to, Emax transmission, or doing, forward only conversion on a nitro transmission or whatever. I feel like Facebook is a better option for me to be able to help people that have, that type of questions. Plus, I can put all the pictures and stuff from all the conversions I've done on my xmaxx. Hopefully it will help a lot of other people that's got questions or want to do a conversion themselves.